Hello guys, I'm going to present to you how to use special Unicode characters in Windows and how to create them. Let's give it a go in Word. So first we need this button. Secondly, we need this button. So here you are. So now we can select a character, for example, this one. Here it is. In addition, you can use this also in Microsoft Teams or Skype or whatever, but you can also use it in a terminal. However, then you need to use the Windows terminal and you need to download this from the Microsoft Store. You can't use it in the command prompt or any other tool. You need the Windows terminal. So here we have the Windows terminal. Let's print something with the printf command. We're going to print this character. Okay. Let's see if that works. Yes, it really did work. Maybe it doesn't show up clearly in the statement, but it really worked. Okay, so that's it for the Windows terminal. Now let's see if we can try this in Visual Studio Code by creating a branch name. So first we create a branch and then we say B. I like short branch names. A character. So you can clearly see some strange character. And here we confirm that the branch name with the strange character will be added. And here we can see that this branch name with this strange character has been added. Cool, isn't it? So let's see how this looks like. Here you can see the branch name with strange character does show up. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Then let me know in the comments what you think of it, and hopefully this helps you creating characters in Windows. Bye bye.